So this is my first classifier. I just develop it and deploy. So this is my first deployed model. So you can just enter this URL kvas or beer.onrender.com and just find what is on the image, beer or kvas. Kvas, it's a traditional Russian drink. It's no alcohol drink, but it's look like a beer, and sometimes it's quite tricky to find the difference just the first look. So it is beer or kvass. So my classifier can give you the answer what it is. So I have some images. So and this is a beer, and what our classifier tells us. I just select image and analyze it, and it's still analyzing, and the reply is beer. That's correct one. I just choose another image. It's analyze it, and it's clearly see that this is beer. It's also correct one. And this one is, it's also kvass, so this correct. So this is a classifier which is developed on the web, and you can just test it anytime when you try to find the right answer. It is beer or kvass. So thanks a lot. See you later.